Hello friends, this is Rita Taute. Today I am making video of class 8's linear equation in one variable. Before getting this lesson, we will see some basic points of linear equation in one variable. Which are points we will see. First point is constant, second point is variable, third point is algebraic expression, fourth point is equation, and last one is linear equation in one variable. Okay, we will see constant means what? Constant means a term whose value is fixed. Means what? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinity. V does not change this value. Next point, variable. A term whose value is not fixed. A term whose value is not fixed. For example, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, A, B, C. You can take any alphabets. These are variables. Don't confuse. Constant means does not change their values, and variables means continuously changing their values. Third point is algebraic expression. What does mean by algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means combination of constant and variables. For example, 3xy plus 4. Here, x and y are two variables and 4 is a constant. Next, 4x. X is a variable. Here only one variable is present and 4 is coefficient of x. Next example, 2x plus y. X and y, here two variables and 2 is coefficient of x, and 3x minus 3. Here only one variable present and 3 is constant, and here 3 is coefficient of x. Next point, equation. What is mean by equation? An equation states that LHS is equal to RHS. Means what? We will see one example. First example is 5x is equal to 25. Means 5x is equal to 25. Here equality shows. This equal sign means what? Both sides have equal, and 5x is LHS and 25 is RHS. Both sides have same. Next point, linear equation in one variable. In linear equation in one variable, we see one equation first. X plus 3 is equal to 10. Here x is only one variable is present, and here highest power of this variable is only 1. Means x is variable and 3 is constant and 10 is also constant, and this equal to shows us equality. I think understood all of you. Now, definition of linear equation in one variable. In linear equation in one variable, only one variable is present and that variable's power is 1 is called linear equation in one variable. Now we will see examples on linear equation in one variable. First example, 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. For solving this equation, we have two methods. First one is inverse method and second one is transpose method. But mostly we have to use transpose method because transpose method is easy to solve. Now solution. First write down as it is equation 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. In this method, we have to make constant terms separate and variables separate. So, transposing -3 to RHS. Okay, we will see 2x minus 3 is equal to 7, but what is your condition? Transposing -3 to RHS, because we have to make variables separate and constant terms separate. So therefore 2x is equal to 7. When we take -3 to RHS, your sign will change. -3 comes +3. Therefore 2x is equal to 10. Now we want x value, so both sides dividing both sides by 2. When we dividing both sides by 2, we easily get x values. So 2x is equal to 10 divided by 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So therefore x is equal to 5. This is our required solution. Now we will see next example. Two y plus 9 is equal to 4. Now how to solve? We will see solution. First write down as it is equation 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Now make separate constant term separate and variable separate. So therefore transposing (9) to RHS. So write down 2y is equal to 4 minus 9. How here comes -9? When we take LHS to RHS, that time sign will change. So +9 is comes to -9. So therefore 2y is equal to -5. So now we want y's value. So dividing both sides by 2. (2y is equal to -5 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 5 -5 by 2. No, -5 is not divisible by 2. So we get answer y is equal to -5 by 2. This is our required answer.